Hello, my dear crafters. So today I came up because it's the last video tutorial for your Easter 2023 series. I decided to make something that is so fast and quick and easy to make because for those of you who have still not had time to sit down and make your boxes and treat bags and all of that, this is a treat pouch that is the easiest thing to make. So you'll be able to mass produce and get ready for Easter, okay? So that's what it looks like. I made it look like carrots, so it's Easter inspired, and you can use here whatever you have at hand, maybe a stamp like this or an ephemera, a tag, whatever you have at hand. So yes, a fast one that you love to make and have a lot of fun doing, okay? So let's move to the tutorial. So we start with a piece of paper that is 5 inches by 4 3/4. So here basically the 5 is the height, okay, 5 inches. And we're going to basically close this, and you're going to make sure to have some double-sided tape on both sides here. That's the top and the bottom. And this is actually the closure, okay, the height. And that's what we're going to take off and remove. And that's the first thing we're going to glue. So we remove this. Just, you know how it is. My voice is so strange. So there you go. So what you do now, and that's the only part that's kind of tricky, but not complicated, just tricky. So what we want, because we don't want to fold and then the folding lines, we don't want it to be harsh. It's basically a tunnel like this. You're going to have like a roll like this. So what you do is we're going to make sure, the best way for me to do is to come here very close to the edge, making sure that it's aligned, and you start folding. Hold it on the top here, turn around, make sure that the base, the top and base, they're just pinch like this, and then you very lightly press it down like this. That's the way I do it. That's the way it works for me. And now you're going to see how easy this is. So once this is glued, and make sure to use some strong adhesive, okay? So now what we're going to do is the first part, the top part where we're going to have the greenery coming out of, I want it to be flat, and this is where the greenery comes, okay? So make sure that the line, this is a line, this is the middle where you folded right here. So this is to the back. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to insert first the greenery. So let's make that. We have a little tiny piece of paper here that is 3 3/4 long. And here's 2 1/2, okay? So it's basically this way. That's the greenery. So, no, sorry, it's this way, yeah. So this way here. So basically what you need is scissors, but this kind of scissors. It's called fringe scissors. So, or shredded scissors or shredding scissors, but I'll have the link below for you. And all you need to do, I love these scissors, and this is the best use I've ever made of it. So here's what it does. It just cuts in little, like fringes, right? So continue cutting. There you go. It's very easy. I actually tried, and I will show you. I tried to do this without using these scissors. I actually tried before because I had some die cuts like this. You can try to use it, but I didn't think it looked as good. You can, if you have some kind of cutting dies that does this kind of cutting, like grass and greenery, you can use that too. I don't think it looks as good. Look at that. But it works. So, but if you want the French scissors, I'll have the link below for you. So basically here, this is done. And what I do is I just kind of eyeball it, how wide I want it. And instead of going straight like this, I usually pull it up like that because it makes it go like a cone like this. So this is, yeah, I think this is wide enough. So I'm just gonna do it like this and then press it up again. And I think that's enough. I don't think we need more than this. So I'm gonna get my scissors here and remove the rest. So yeah, so we're done here. Now all we need to do is glue this whole thing. I'm just gonna use this because it's fast, and this is a very strong adhesive. So there you are. So we're done with the greenery, and all we need to do again, this is the back, make sure that it's centered here, and we want the front to, this is gonna be on the back, okay? And so what we need to do is to just remove, because we already put the double-sided adhesive here. Now I'm gonna have to be patient. Oh, that was easy. So you basically remove that and you glue right in the middle, press it down. I'm going to add some more glue, even though it has enough glue here. I'm gonna add some more just to make sure that this area here is safe, okay? So press it down like that, make sure that it's well aligned. And we're gonna use the bone folder just to press it down, especially here where you have the grass. So we have the top done, okay? Now, instead, of course, you have the options of just gluing this here straight, but it would not make it look like a carrot. So what you do is the opposite. You were going to press it like this, so it would make it be a cone. And again, I'm gonna have to remove. And of course, before we close, we're going, it's never easy to remove these double-sided tapes, but I want to make sure that we get some goodies inside. So we remove it. So I have some eggs here and some Hershey's. So let's get some Hershey's and some eggs. You can actually fit a lot in here. I think that's enough. I think I'm gonna get one out of here, just so. So there you are. Now we are going to just press it closed. And we are done, guys. Again, get your bone folder. How easy was that? So this is the front, and I have, of course, for decoration, I have this cute tag here. I'm going to remove. I have double-sided adhesive too, here too, just to make it easy. So I'm going to remove it, and we're going to place it, well, in the front here, just to add something like this. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it sideways. There you go. We are done. Look at that. So this says Bunny Kisses Easter Wishes. So there you are. How easy is that? So you can just cut your paper, get the double-sided adhesive on, and get going. And you're going to have easy to make, very quick, and very Eastern, very Easter inspired. So there you are, guys, a pouch that you can just fill up with goodies for your kids and your friends. Thank you so much. This is the last one. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. This is the last one of the Easter series, but there is more to come. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Bye-bye.